John Speke, the first European to declare Lake Victoria as the source of River Nile.
Okay.
So as you can read on the sideboard, it says John Speke was a British explorer and officer in the British Indian Army, best known for his intensive explorations
in Africa.
Yeah, for discovering the source of River Nile.
So how often do people come here? Is it so much visited as compared to the other side?
Yeah, actually, specifically people come here for only two things. That's the monument and zip lining.
Okay.
Yeah. And the most people that come here, you know, it is whites. You know, for us Africans,
we don't pick much interest in such.
We don't pick up. Actually, we don't even follow.
Okay.
That's the helmet. This one's for the head. You never know. Some zipliners are places you might be ziplining and then your head touches the wire.
True.
So this one guards
against this.
It's
a very
the wire.
Strong wire.
It's a very strong wire. This one is the harness. So you put on this, then we clip you on this one. Use this one to clip the wire.
Okay.
Yeah, so you just putting on like.
Yeah.
Put on it as on the closer.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very good.
I can see.
Like this.
Okay.
Right in here. Then you put on a helmet. Then you put
on the line. Okay.
Yeah.
And then you move. So to and fro is the 70,000.
Yeah, 70,000.
Wow.
You go and then come back.
Okay.
Actually, it's the longest zip line in Uganda here.
In Uganda.
The longest zip line now across the longest river in the world.
Really?
Yeah.
All the way from here up to the other side. Where is that other shelter?
So going is 300 meters and then coming back as 320.
Okay.
So 620 meters.
That's a long distance.
That is a long distance.
Wow. These ones, what are these ones doing?
These ones are doing that's boat cruise. Also do boat cruise. We have the we have the sunset cruise.
Okay.
Those kind of boat cruises now.
Okay.
That's the boat cruise of the Nile. Okay. And you all know, River Nile doesn't have any clock. It has no Thomas, so it is very easy for someone to go to.
True. But are there people who swim through this Nile?
Yeah, you can swim. But when you know much, because
when you're experienced, when you're senior.
Yeah, when you're senior. You cannot just come from there and then you say that. And you know, actually you can see the Nile with the beaches just once. Because you know, River Nile flows from the southern part of Uganda to go to the northern part of Uganda. So you just follow this area.
Okay.
For it flows northwards.
Mm.
It is a bit different from other rivers. Because other rivers flows from the north and to the south. The south side flows. That also makes it different from the other rivers.
Okay. Okay.
So the way it flows, the way.
Then I see that other line down. So that one is which?
That's the coming back line.
The coming back line.
This one, let's go together and then this one, this one.
Okay. Wow.
So, you have like three platforms. Platform. The other one is another platform. And then
so these are three. So the first one here is that.
Here you can go to you can go to 45. Here one and then here one.
Then when you're coming back, you use that other lower
I
one.
use the other, but for it is one, come one.
Hey. But so how much weight can it carry?
The maximum weight is
The came around, I think 87.
this one is very deep, that's why it doesn't come from the weight is very deep. The deepest part of River Nile is up to like 100 feet.
That's so deep. Wow.
100 feet, those are 5 feet, sometimes 4 feet. The other part is 4 feet. Those are 2 feet. So that was one. Like the other side of our dog before it. Just came from
Expanded. Okay.
and outside, that one.
There's nothing to see. Yeah. Put up structures. Yeah.
But there's back on footage. Maybe we do what the whole one I read.
This area, they are slippery. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay, very interesting place. So that other car, like shrub, is it like an island or?
That was an island, like a sort of River Nile. So when you say that you're going to the actual sort of River Nile, you have to get a boat and then use the boat.
Takes you there.
So here you can see exactly the difference between the lake and the river. You can see the water streams.
Now you
And
see
then you
the
have
water here is still, the other side is moving.
even there we have to go there is a sun there where it's 0.0 of River Nile. So like it's not like guys. They even serve back here. So we go to the boat and then get some food.
Okay.
Sawa nyingi naweka deza ngao atozi tadeyo wapi
These are very brave men, my dear.
Very good.
If you ever need it,
haya sikali
issue. Might not be seen up to the other side. Hey, you can play it back.
pesa
Hey,
yasikango yasikango
that's why I said back. Wow. I wonder why they had to do
How to really connect it. Most of them, after they became your friends, no cross is easy.
coming back.
Close is just it and then
Challenge. Okay, they have managed. As soon as the boat has zip lining. But on a regular, on an average day, how many people on average come to that place zip lining?
Actually, we try to have something
Every day. Like today, how many did you see coming?
They would like to have, I think, 12 people. We had that.
Okay. Okay. This is really nice.
Just like fishing as well, you can come up to this side.
Okay.
So here's our docking site because you know, as you know, also do boat cruise. So in case we have the tires for boat cruise, we come and then the boat comes and pick them here. At the docking point, they just what we need to.
So if you had come from the other side and wanted to see this place, this is where we dock.
You dock.
Dock here.
So you come from the other side, you come and dock here.
Okay.
It's like that.
I can see. Very interesting place.
That's where it's called.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. That's really nice. Really nice. Good view. People have been around.